Okay, so this is an unboxing of Sidecart, I think it is. Got this from a Spanish developer, I think via Berlin. And what I ordered was two versions, the uncompleted version and the completed version, so I can make my own. You get a little cable, got plenty of them. What's that? Some header pins, yeah, I've got loads of those. Oh yeah, Sidecart, that's what it's called. Anything else on it? Something you can look up if you want to. These must be little pins, I don't know what they are. I suppose you plug them in and screw them in. So this is the one that's pre-assembled. Aha! So this, theoretically, should go into the side cartridge here, like so, if I can do it. Hang on. Let me pause it. Yeah, it should go on the side like that, and it should power itself apparently. Your Pico is here, and this is the assembled version, and you put a little memory card in there. I don't know if it's in there already. It doesn't look like it. Has to be FAT16 or something like that, and then it emulates cartridge, and the cartridge had 4 effective slots in it. So it allows you to download stuff wirelessly as well, using the Pico as a Sidecart, hence the name. And then it becomes like a floppy drive. I already have a floppy drive in it, but that's the completed one. So I'll play with that later. Now, I have to check this out because my cat was peeing all over it here. He will be going back to the vets at one point if he's not careful. So what's this in here? This must be the PCB. Let me just check. So it's a Spanish developer. I don't know if he's in Berlin now, I'm not certain, but a Spanish developer. One of my great friends is a multilingual Spanish guy. So we hope to build this because he has an STE as well. Pause it again. So what's in here? This might be anti-static, but it's sticky as hell. Oh, here we are. There we are. Pico RW, so that's like that look. So everything's on there apart from the headers, the Pico, and I guess you got to get a card. I guess that's where the SD card goes in, so I have to get a couple of fairly small. I don't think it has to be big because the cartridge is only about 128K anyway, or something like that. No, I have some Pico W somewhere. Give me a second. Aha, getting forgetful. So these are ones I bought for a different project. The Pico W apparently can do a USB host, and I want to use it for some Zoom stuff when I get back into that. Is that the same as that? It looks pretty damn similar, doesn't it? So I think I've got enough to make my own version up and test this with the official version. I can send this off to my friend in Spain, unless he comes back to the UK. And this should make it quite good. So, okay, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.